My name is Mark Emmerson. I am a Professor of Biodiversity here at Queen's University Belfast, where I have a foot in the School of Biological Sciences and the Institute for Global Food Security here at Queen's. But I am also co-director for the Co-Centre for Climate plus Biodiversity plus Water. I studied marine and freshwater biology as an undergraduate at Queen Mary University of London, which was Queen Mary in Westfield at the time. I very much went in to do a straight biology degree, but after a marine ecology field course at the end of our first year, I switched to marine and freshwater biology. And so when my degree finished, I had applied for PhDs but had no success and ended up taking a gap year, then went on to do a master's at the University of Aberdeen in marine and fisheries science, where I was for about a year. I did a research dissertation on harbour seal population dynamics up at the Lighthouse Field Station that is part of the University of Aberdeen, and then embarked on a PhD for 3.5 years at what was called Coltity Field Station, a field station just to the north, about 12 miles north of Aberdeen, where I looked at the ecology and biodiversity and ecosystem functioning of marine intertidal mudflats and sediments. I wouldn't have sort of seen climate as being something that I had really focused on. The priority for me had very much been marine biology, and as I got into my PhD, I began to realise more and more that some of the drivers for biodiversity change were climate, as well as land use, invasive species, pollution, overexploitation of resources. And I guess over the years I have worked on those drivers, but climate has played an increasing role in trying to understand the effect that climate has as a driver of biodiversity change. I think for me, at the career stage I am at, one of the most inspiring things is seeing all the new young people coming through, the early career researchers, the PhDs and the work that they are engaging in. The enthusiasm, the passion that they bring to the table, and the innovations that they apply when trying to find solutions to some of the questions that they are addressing. And some of that might be experimental, but it might be modelling as well, and looking at difficult, challenging problems in novel ways. And I think that for me is those innovations, the energy that young people, young early career researchers bring to the table, is one of the things I find most inspiring.